Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I was asked a while ago about sizing up to join Monogram bags. A guy was going on a trip, a week I think, and he asked me if he should buy the 25 liter or the 40 liter. I go by the measures in length instead, just because that's what we old guys are used to. Louis Vuitton keep all used to be available in 45, 50, 55 and 60 centimeters width. And that is what we still go after more or less. 55 centimeters, more or less this size, used to be the maximum size for carrying on luggage. So that was the most popular size, the 55 centimeters bag. 50 was useless more or less, and 45 was good for daily use or as a gym bag. 60 is used too large. You can't have it with you on a plane. I have one 60 centimeters bag, a Supreme bag. If you are, I don't know, driving and you don't want to have a suitcase with wheels, yeah, you can go with the 60, but the 60 is something like this. But they have more or less skipped that now. I don't know if it's because of the airlines, because the airlines, as I said, the maximum standard size for all the airlines used to be 55 centimeters. Most of them now go down to 50 centimeters and some of them to 45 centimeters. But they don't measure it like that. They usually force you to put it in a case to see if it fits or not. So unless it's packed like this, it's really not either. You can fit a bit much more in it. But anyway, so the guy asked me, he was going on a week trip, I think, and he asked me if it was good enough with the 25 liters or if he needed the 40 liters. And since the 50 centimeters luggage was unpopular, the Joanna Monogram bags are 47 centimeters. So just between 45 and 50. So 47, that is what they call the 25 liter. And I don't remember this size. I think it's 55. Pretty sure it's 55 centimeters. And the call is 40 liter. But to show you, this is not packed to the rim, but this is what I call a weekend bag. And when I go away on a weekend, I always have, so for 3 days I have t-shirt and underwear with me for 5 days, just in case. Not that I'm going to crap myself, but if I go, I usually shower twice a day, no matter the weather. So my weekend bag is actually for 5 days. So you're traveling with jacket and jeans, and just in case, extra jeans, toiletry bag, and you have the jacket and sweatshirt on you, but just in case, extra. 5 set of boxer shorts, a case for the watch, sunglasses, and 5 pairs of socks, and 5 t-shirts that I could roll up and make them fit better. But that is for a long weekend. So the 25 liter is absolutely good enough for a long weekend. And just to show you how much more you can fit, I will fit this 5-day packaging actually in the 40 liters. But in this week pack, 5 days or 7 days, I would pack for 10 days, just in case, or at least 7 days. So a couple of extra t-shirts and socks and underwear. But I usually say that I can fit the 5-day packaging with ease, no problem at all. And maybe fit a pair of shoes as well, if I would like that. And I can even fit more, I see. What else? Yeah, sunglasses, the watch case. I have not rolled it, I have it packaged the way it should be, but just to show you, you can easily fit 5 days of packaging in the 40 liter, but you can fit it also in the weekend bag, the 25 liter. Yeah, I think that's it. So 25 liter, a weekend bag, 40 liter, a week bag. Yeah, that's good enough answer, I think. And the measures are 47 centimeters, and I believe this is 55. And we used to go 45, 50, 55, and 60. But when you are traveling and want the duffel bag as your carry-on, check with the airline what their maximum size are, because it says everywhere. So mainly go after that. But if you're not going on a flight and you just want to carry it in your hand, weekend bag with extra space, week bag with extra space. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, just ask me, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, what kind of bag do you have when you go on a trip? A weekend bag or a week bag? And just to show you what I'm packing myself for a weekend, I'm going to be at a car show for 3.5 days. 2 outfits per day. I wouldn't even call it outfits. It's 2 pair of t-shirts per day, underwear 2 sets per day, 2 pair of shoes per day, and the last day I'm driving home with the same pair of shoes that I'm wearing that day. So this is me keeping it short and light for a weekend, 3.5 days.